Is this a Funny Guy Farm video?
Today's toilet day.
Your shit is just gonna come out of this hole.
And this is like a seal.
Yeah,
take it
down under us.
What are we calling this then?
I bought say that.
Oh, you're so funny. Good morning. Today on the farm, project of the day is installing a toilet. Glimmer, what's up with this toilet?
I just thought we're showering outside. Why don't we just start going to the bathroom outside too?
Oh, we're just gonna leave it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today's toilet day in the girls' bathroom. So we are gonna install this guy.
Install this toilet?
Install this toilet.
What kind of toilet is it?
It's a Swiss Modern Saint Tropez.
Trapeze?
Saint Tropez. Oh, that's how you say it. Saint Tropez. Very cultured here on the farm.
Let's put it in.
Let's put it in.
Oh shit.
It's hard to know where it is. You think we're on it or no?
I don't know. I'd have to get down there and figure it out.
I think the water line might work. Because this is up here already. It's not so low.
Are you on the
I can't tell.
flange?
Okay, it has to go back like 3 inches. Back and kind of that way.
Okay.
I think it's still, can we tip it that way again?
Yeah.
Okay, back a little bit more.
Back to the wall.
Back to the wall. Okay, that's about where it is. It's probably because the plug's in there.
Yeah, I mean, right now, all you're trying to do, like, as long as it's, is it relatively on the plug?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the water connection.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to see.
Copper pipes coming out of the wall. So hopefully we're going to use this SharkBite valve connector here. This compression, I guess they call this a compression fitting.
His mouth, the shark, he bites the pipe. Arrgh.
Oh, thanks for explaining that.
Yeah, it's only about that far.
Okay, so then let's move it back out.
Break the
and then,
thing.
yeah, open up the valve and figure everything out.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to turn the water off.
Bolts that come with the toilet that go into the flange here. I mean, this is pretty simple. It's like there's hardly even like directions for it. That I think that's pretty good in there.
Okay, so the water's off. We probably want to cut like right here because we need a little bit.
Yeah, I wouldn't
push it
go.
on.
Did you bleed the line out there?
I opened the faucet in the kitchen, yeah, but I don't have anything in here to bleed it, so that's why it's probably coming out. I could get a bowl, I guess. Okay.
Wonderful.
Here I am installing the SharkBite.
Okay, install away.
3, 2, 1. So we want it like that, right?
Yeah.
She's in.
That's all there is to it, huh? No need for a plumber anymore.
Voila, mes amis.
Okay, so now we can break the thing and install the wax seal on the bottom of the toilet and then move it into place.
Yes, sir.
Siggy, what the hell are you doing
Give
here?
some space, babe.
Well, I was going to help you install this toilet. You don't want my expertise?
Ziggy's supervising. Ziggy, are you supervising? Are you a plumbing supervisor? Okay, we should take pictures of this for the inspector.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Why don't you do the other two now? Like that one seems to be a little loose, so not to. There you go.
Okay. We've opened the tomb.
You got it, just pull it up.
Yeah, I just don't want to lose any. Blech.
shithole.
What do we do for this thing?
Okay, the wax seal that comes with the toilet kit goes on the bottom of the toilet.
On the bottom of the toilet.
Install
Okay.
wax seal.
Okay.
Instruction number 4.
Okay.
So it says tilt it sideways, put a
Alright.
blanket under it to protect it.
Okay.
I think you just lean it over onto the wood floor there.
Let me put a blanket.
Or put a blanket.
Prettiest shitter you ever saw. So we're saying it goes.
Invert towards the toilet. I mean, I guess put the wax on it and then this sits into the hole.
Okay, so that's pretty centered.
You basically have to set it on perfectly.
Okay, so
Otherwise,
then let's just
like we're gonna
seal.
put it, it took us three ups and downs to get it centered on there.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? When we just were rough fitting it.
That's why I'm like, I wonder if it's gonna come off when we try and line it up. I hope not. So now we're gonna tip it back up and put it on the flange, right? Position to it on the
It's
flange.
pretty strange.
Technology.
But it's not really. I mean, this seems like so
Old
archaic.
school.
you
I know, but it's funny. It's like, who invented this thing?
Like you're gonna shit, and all of your shit is just gonna come out of this hole.
And this is like a seal that you
And
push
this, yeah,
down.
exactly. Like
Yeah.
that's sealing it up. I guess I don't know.
Okay, let's move all these tools. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. I can't see. So
You got it. Okay, it needs to go back to the wall. More to the wall. More to the wall.
I can't. We're on the wall. All right, ready?
Okay, we need like 1 more inch to the wall.
Tell me when I
Okay,
can
right,
let it-
right here.
let
on
it
that.
down?
Yeah.
Do you
Well,
need a little?
this one, this side is right on the bolt.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Back or forward?
Back into the kitchen side, like back right. Like rotate the back left of the toilet towards the shower. Back left towards the shower, yeah, rotate. Up on the back part a little bit. We're literally like a quarter of an inch from the hole. It's like right there.
Okay, ready?
There it goes.
Okay.
That's it.
Whew. Should take my jacket off
Holy shit.
for that. Good job. Okay, well that's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's in there, I think.
And we're gonna tighten it down.
Yeah, let me see that nut. What is this socket size for that? Okay, so. No, because that would just break. Okay, let's see. Man.
I think I have these plastic pieces
Yeah,
because it's quite a bit.
I'm just wondering though, if we bolt it down, it's going to be bolted into place. It's not like it's going to wiggle. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I just was.
Does
trying
that
to
make
take-
sense?
Yeah, I was just trying to take some of the stress off of the bolts.
Yeah, I guess if you want. I'm just thinking like you're going to fill this gap in with silicone afterwards, so.
I guess,
You
yeah.
know?
And the silicone's gonna harden.
Okay, I don't know if I can actually tighten these down
Okay, let me try.
easily with a socket. We might need to.
What size is it? I think I have a box wrench. What are you doing?
I'm trying to tighten these flanges down. Oh. Yeah. Tricky in here. There's instructions to put this whole thing together, but ours already came assembled. They just go in here. I can just, let's see. I think these are supposed to be like this. Okay, I think this is how, do it like this a little bit, is how it says. So it goes like this, like that, and then
Check you out.
like that.
We don't want to over tighten, right? That's
Well,
what-
yeah, like make sure where's it lined up.
Well,
Is
that's
it-
what I
is
was
this
trying to
how
do.
It's supposed to be seated.
Yeah, I think that's where we want it.
Yeah.
Do these go through here or no?
The post that connects to the actual seat goes
Okay.
through this.
So the screws get covered up. That's a nice touch. So now that we've got the seat positioned, I lined it up with this front rim. Now we're gonna put these back on. We're gonna close it.
Wow. Getting turned on. Is it leaking?
No leaks so far.
Oh
Has water in it.
All right. What do you think? What's that flush for?
Big flush or little flush?
Shit,
No
man.
water. Cross it off the list. Cock, cock, cock.
What are you doing, man?
I'm cocking the head. I'm peeing in it.
How's it work?
Feels good. Don't actually do this.
What? Why not?
Because I